Hey there, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your evening recap for Monday night, September the 9th, 2013. Okay, 5 minutes of the ES, and the critical thing about today, and I touched on it this morning in the market webcast, is that the market really wanted to be over the middle Bollinger Band, which is your green line here. And, once it got above the 53 and above, above the 52 to 54 area with the middle band and the 50-day exponential moving average, it really opened it up all the way to 70. We looked at 70 for a long time. 70 was support back here. 70 was the retest area on the last lower high, and now we've broken above that. So at this point, the Bulls have the ball in their court without a doubt. There's really nothing to stop a move to 80. You could see an overreaction of that move up to 86. So the Bulls got the day that they really needed today. Now, what could prevent that? Well, there's a couple things. The number one thing that could prevent it is how things shake out on Syria in the next couple of days. I think a lot of the grind higher today really was just on this steady flow of headlines that indicated that between Russia and the UN and everybody else, it looked like they were trying to cut some kind of a deal where we don't have to go in and attack. I would respectfully submit that it really doesn't matter. I think at the end of the day, we are going to go in and hit something. The president has painted himself, into that kind of a corner, and we're going to have to go ahead and deal with that. And I think when that happens, you're going to see a little bit of the air come out of this rally. Now, whether it is a little bit of air or whether it's the kind of violent move down that we saw on Friday remains to be seen. And I'm not saying to short the thing. What I am saying is that if you are long, you need to always have a mind on the exit. Although now, today for the first day, we can say we are in buy dips mode. We're above the middle band. For those of you that are new to the webcast, I have a very general rule. If we are between the middle band and the upper band, we are in buy dips territory. Okay? If we are below the Bollinger Band, as we were here, you're in buy dips mode. But if we are trading between the middle band and the lower band, this area in here is sell rallies. And it's sell rallies until it's not. Well, today it's finally not. We have closed above the middle band. With respect to the pivots, we have a double pivot area from 1663 half to 1665. That's the daily pivot and the 20-day pivot. You've got the 45-day pivot tucked in right at 1667. Below that, you get the 3-dayer at 60 half, and then the 9-day pivot way down at 55. But look at the 63 half to 65 area to be an area of support on a pullback during Globex tonight, or potentially tomorrow if we get a little bit of a little bit of profit taking off of the open. Look for that 63 half to 65 area to hold at least initially. If that area breaks down, then you have to appreciate that the bears have pushed price below a double pivot, and if on a retest that pivot area becomes resistance, you could see the bears take back some of that ground. But the bears accomplish nothing until they trade below and close below 53. That's the key. That's step one. Step two is to trade below and close below 47, but one thing at a time. So the bears have done themselves no favors whatsoever. None. With the last couple of days. So that's the way things set up. Everybody have a fantastic night. Follow me at PrincetonTrader.com. Check out the website, Princeton Trader. we're offering a 2-week free trial on the chat room. We have our Princeton Trader Levels product over on the website for you to read up about. And you can always follow these webcasts on YouTube and subscribe to the blog. I have a lot of people that subscribe to the blog so that all the new blog posts go directly to their inbox, and that would include the webcast, pivot points, all of that stuff. Then you don't have to be hunting through your Twitter timeline to try to find everything. So everybody have an amazing night. I will be out in the morning with another market webcast, and I'll be around on Twitter during the day. Subscribers, I'll see everybody in the chat room tomorrow. Trade them well.